Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Akaza must be unlocked and your loadout set. Combine that with immediate controller mapping so dash, block, and special are within thumb reach. This reduces input lag under pressure. Once done, run a quick warm-up in free roam for 5 to 10 minutes to internalize Akaza's basic combo chain and dodge rhythm. You'll feel the timing differences versus other characters, so practice until muscle memory takes over, before moving into actual matches or missions. You now focus on the complex middle. Start combos with 2 light hits, then follow with forward plus heavy to break guards and create openings. Blend low and overhead strikes with a half-second pause when appropriate to bait counters and punish predictable patterns. Make sure to time your evasive art to parry during enemy burst windows. Once parried, cancel instantly into Akaza's special for high damage and positional advantage. Repeat these sequences in rounds to build consistency and reduce reaction lag. You complete engagements by conserving rage meter for finishers or clutch cancels when the opponent drops to about 20% health. This secures kills and denies comebacks. Also prioritize wall control. Push foes to a corner to lengthen combos and limit their escape options. If things go wrong, first test controller dead zone and remap any sticky buttons, and then restart the session to clear temporary lag. This one tip usually resolves most execution failures and lets you return to crisp Akaza play quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.